Nagaland sees record surge in cases with increase in the number of tests. Dimapur and Mon see record single-day spike in the number of coronavirus cases today. A total of 12.3 lakh people have recovered from coronavirus in the country. Recovery rate has gone up to an impressive 66.30%. And Dimapur police to use the locally available low-cost produce and low-maintenance bamboo barricades to encourage local entrepreneurs. Commissioner of Police Dimapur launches the bamboo barricades today. Well, those were the headlines. Hello and welcome once again to this news broadcast from News and Trends. We begin this bulletin by taking a look at the COVID-19 update from the state. A day after witnessing a record single-day spike of COVID-19 cases yesterday, Nagaland today reported 276 COVID-19 cases, surpassing its yesterday's record of 194 cases. The new cases were confirmed from the 735 samples tested. Yesterday's 194 cases were reported from 845 samples tested. Dimapur saw a surge in the cases with 187 fresh cases reported today. The other district that reported the new cases were from Mon with 89 cases, the highest from that district so far in a single day. This was informed by State's Health and Family Welfare Minister Espangipom in his tweet this afternoon. The tweet said 276 new positive cases have been confirmed out of 735 samples tested, 187 from Dimapur and 89 from Mon. Necessary contact tracing has been activated and all primary contacts are under self-isolation, the minister tweeted. Now, among the districts, Dimapur is still the worst hit by the COVID-19 pandemic. The surge in the cases has been mostly attributed to the armed forces and some from quarantine centers and traced contacts. Today's total of 187 is the highest reported from any districts in a single day. The previous highest was 136, which was also from Dimapur and was recorded yesterday. After observing a week's lockdown, partial lockdown is in place in the city. With the continuous efforts by the district administration and Dimapur police, visible changes have been observed from the citizens today in maintaining the basic etiquettes such as wearing masks in public places, maintenance of social distancing and practicing basic health hygiene. Towards this, the Dimapur police tweeted on the behavioral change among the citizens of Dimapur. Dimapur may not be perfect, but in its imperfections lies an innate willingness to learn and adapt to a changing time, the Dimapur police tweeted. Today's addition of 187 fresh cases in Dimapur takes the district's tally to 1,202. 167 persons have recovered, 2 deaths have occurred, 1 migrated, and active cases stand at 1,032. Now, after a brief lull, Mon saw its highest spike in a single day with a record 89 fresh cases reported today. The district headquarters, along with other subdivisional headquarters including Tizit, Aboy and Pomchin town, are under lockdown, and the district administration has put in place strict measures to contain the pandemic. In an order issued yesterday, Deputy Commissioner Mon Thavasilin K had informed that all trucks coming from Assam carrying essential commodities will be permitted to enter Mon district only on Wednesday and Friday, that is on the 5th and 7th of August 2020. The samples of the drivers and handyman will be collected for RT-PCR testing at Tizit before proceeding to Mon. Deputy Commissioner Mon Thavasilin K had notified that the total lockdown which was imposed in Mon town and Tizit subdivision on 26th August 2020 was extended for another 7 days, that is from the 3rd to the 9th of August 2020. The order had stated that movement of public shall remain strictly prohibited except on medical emergencies. All business, commercial establishments, shops shall remain closed. Movement of private vehicles except those permitted is banned. All social, cultural, religious, academic gatherings shall be banned. Not more than 20 persons will be permitted in case of funerals. A register containing the names and contact details of all those who attend must be mandatorily maintained and submitted to the concerned subdivision officers. No movement will be permitted in or out of Mon, Sardar and Tizit subdivision. In another notification, the Deputy Commissioner Mont Havasilan K had also notified that a total lockdown in Pomchin subdivision was extended for another 7 days, that is from the 3rd to 9th August 2020. According to the Nagaland government COVID War Room dashboard, the state's tally of total COVID-19 positive cases stand at 2,405. 657 persons have recovered and 1,740 active cases are present in the state as of today. 4 persons have succumbed to the virus from the state. A total of 12,30,509 people have recovered from coronavirus in the country so far. It is more than double the number of 5,86,298 active cases in the country. The Health and Family Welfare Ministry today said that the recovery rate has gone up to an impressive 66.30% and the case fatality rate has further declined to 2.09%. The Health Ministry said a total of 52,050 new cases of COVID-19 have been reported in the country in a single day, taking the total number of positive cases reported to 18,55,745. In a single day, 803 deaths have also been reported, taking the nationwide toll to 38,938. Maharashtra reported the highest number of cases, followed by Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Delhi, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. In the northeast, Assam has reported 45,275 cases of the pathogen. A total of 5,505 cases have been reported from Tripura, 2,920 in Manipur. Arunachal Pradesh has reported 1,758. Meghalaya has reported 902 cases. Sikkim 688 and Mizoram has registered 501 infections so far. Commissioner of Police Dimapur Tetsio today launched the bamboo barricades for Dimapur Police from Commissioner Police Office Dimapur. According to a DIPR report, the Commissioner of Police mentioned about Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan program, which aims for making India a self-reliant nation by using locally available products. Keeping in mind the vision of Modi, Dimapur Police have come up with the idea of using bamboo barricades as the materials are locally available in plenty with low cost for production and low maintenance, besides encouraging local entrepreneurs that CEO maintained. Bamboo barricades would be used for saving human lives and regulating traffic rules, and it would stand up on behalf of the Dimapur Police, the Commissioner of Police added. Amidst the pandemic, Dimapur Police have been working sincerely and has earned revenue of more than 7 lakh, which is still continuing, and the cash released through challenge are judiciously deposited to the government account, Tetsio informed. Stating that it was possible only because of good teamwork by the traffic party, Tetsio congratulated all the traffic personnel led by DCP Traffic and reminded on the important role of traffic regulation.
The vision started by the Prime Minister in order to use the local product for any domestic use or the commercial use. Now for this COVID war also, we are using a lot of distinct local product for this purpose. It is called Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, Bharat Abhiyan. So they are using the bamboo face shield, bamboo, so many things using to fight against this COVID also. It is locally available and it is manageable and it is harmless. We were discussing, but see, if you use the iron fabric, this barricade, suppose if the vehicle go and hit and make an accident, then there is a danger also. But this bamboo is a safety. So this barricade, it is going to use to save the human life and to regulate the traffic rules.
It may be mentioned that police have been using barricades made of plastic and metal since long, and the idea of using treated bamboo as barricades for assistance in traffic management, which could be first of its kind, was conceptualized by one of the unit officer T. Henthai Pom, NPS ACP Traffic Zone 2. Through the support and encouragement of Commissioner of Police and DCP Traffic Jatila, the project saw the light of the day with a formal launching by the Commissioner of Police. The bamboo barricades were manufactured by Kari Design, led by Menhu Lule Kire. Dimapur Police would be using the bamboo barricades and collapsible wooden barricades for multiple purposes as traffic assistance tool, for road safety purposes, and for temporary traffic signs for informing commuters about condition of roads, etc. The program was chaired by ACP Traffic Zone 2 Henthai Pom, while Pastor PBCD Levi Rakho offered the dedicatory prayer.
Itu saman chola dikhya de adam apni wisdom pura hai.
The overall number of global COVID-19 cases has increased to over 18.27 million, while the deaths have topped to more than 6.93 lakh, according to the Johns Hopkins University. The US accounted for the world's highest number of infections and fatalities at 47.13 lakh and 1.55 lakh respectively. Brazil came in the second place, followed by India, Russia and South Africa. Now back home, Sumi Patriots Day was observed at Zunaboto town today. A program was organized by All Sumi Students Union SKK at Patriots Monolith located at Old Town and Alahuto Junction. Sumi Patriots Day is observed every year on this day to mark the death anniversary of late General Kaito Sema, to honor him and those slain patriots who sacrificed fighting for the better cause of the Nagas. Maintaining the SOP, the event was observed inviting representatives of the Sumi organizations that included the Sumi Hoho, Sumi Kukami Hoho, ZCCI, ZRSU and Town GBs. General Secretary Sumi Hoho Niketo Jimo, while delivering a solidarity message, said that the very event is being observed in tribute to those patriots, remembering their sacrifices which could never be forgotten but always be remembered. He stated that an individual who worked for the better cause of the world with sincerity will always remain a legacy, and that they should be respected, is respected and always be respected, while encouraging the individuals present at the event to be sincere in the field they are involved in. He reminded that the fight for Naga solution have been prevailing for many years now and was coming on the verge of considerable solution. And at this time, the government of India tried implementing the delimitation exercise, but with the request of many Naga organizations, the issue is being put on hold. He further saluted the patriots and extended blessings to their families. Earlier, the program was chaired by Bokalu V. Jimo, General Secretary SKK. Invocation was pronounced by Reverend Dr. Daniel Chishi, Pastor ZDSPC. Welcome address was delivered by Ayato Jimo, Vice President SKK, and concluded with a benediction proposed by Reverend Hukra Jimo, Executive Secretary SBAK Nita Mount. Well, that's all we have time for in this edition of News Broadcast. Do subscribe to us on our YouTube channel and also follow us on Twitter and Facebook page as well. And stay updated with the latest from across the world, the country, the region, and from the state as well. Meanwhile, stay safe, practice safe health hygiene, and maintain social distancing wherever you are. But most importantly, take good care of yourself and your loved ones. Thanks for watching.